So I've already greened out the base of this arrangement, and now I'm going to start adding height. I use my tall stems to create the shape that I want the flowers to follow. So just taking different foliages and creating the base and the foundation, which creates a grid for these flowers to actually sit in, making it easier for them to stay put. Continuing to create the shape by placing different flowers where I see what we call holes. Making sure to place the stems at different angles, which is what creates the depth and 3D effect instead of something that looks flat and on one angle. Ceremony pieces need to be really big and stand out because they are going to frame you as a couple, and you want all of your guests in the, shall we say, audience to be able to actually see these so that they don't become a waste of money. We want them to pop, we want them to create a statement. This video, make sure to follow along and like and subscribe.